Hey guys, welcome to another video. So, as you might see, you might be thinking, she looks a little bit odd. Yes, I ain't got no mascara on. That is because I'm going to do a little review on the new, this is the L'Oreal Bambi Eye False Lash Mascara. This literally just came out. It's literally inspired by Bambi from the Disney, from Disney. The only reason why I do L'Oreal mascara reviews is because I happen to find one of my favorite mascaras ever while doing a L'Oreal mascara review video, and it happens to be the L'Oreal X Fiber Waterproof Resist Mascara. To this day, this is probably my 4th or 5th mascara, maybe 6th, I don't know. I buy this constantly. This is the best thing that I've ever used that actually keeps my eyelashes up. Now, as you can see right now, right here, you see how straight my eyelashes are. Yes, the girl's got Asian heritage in her. I'm half Filipino. Most Asian lashes are incredibly straight. Now, even though I do have a white side to me, my eyelashes, yeah, no, I didn't get the nice curled open lashes. I got the straight downward looking lashes. I got the sad looking lashes. So I'm gonna try out this mascara today. I am going to curl my lashes, because if I apply mascara without curling my lashes, there's literally no point in wearing mascara. So they'll just be straight on. They will not even lift at all. They're incredibly rebellious. My hair is thick for my eyebrows. My actual hair, it's thick. It just rebellious hair I got. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and try this out. This, I believe, is $10.99 as well. So I'm gonna try this out. It is actually a bristle brush, like this, like a round bristle brush. All over it's the same. There's not like any different sides. It's all one side. Smells like mascara. I like to smell everything. So okay, give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna curl my lashes on this eye first, and then I'm gonna apply layer. Alright, this is the best I can do. I do sleep on my left side, so my eyelashes do kind of curve this way. That's just, I can't help that, so I kind of have to like drag my hairs across. So this is the best I can do at the moment. So this is my curled lashes. I'm gonna take this straight away before they start going down. I'm just gonna start applying this. For me, I've noticed wire brushes work better for my eyelashes, but then again, you never know. And this is a big brush. Your girl's terrible at applying mascara. I know I'm going to get this on my eyelid. I believe this is just supposed to be super voluminous, so it's just to add a lot of volume. So Bambi's eyes are very like open on the outer corner of her eyes and separated, I believe, like Bambi lashes. I don't want to do too crazy. Okay, so within 5 minutes I'll be able to tell you if this mascara is a go or a blow, because if this deflates my curled lashes, I just know immediately it's a poop. Like, okay, so this is the first application of the Bambi mascara. I'm pretty sure I can feel it on my eyelid as well. So if I look straight ahead, this is what you're going to see. I can't tell if it's good or not. It's already reduced the curling, I can tell right now. By now, I can already see the curl has gone. The curl is gone. She's straight now. She's not here anymore. So far that is basically the first layer of it. I'm gonna add a quick second layer just to see how well it builds up, if it clumps up really quick, or if I can just lift it back up again, because she is not looking cute. Do you know what? I'm gonna leave it at that. This is a second layer. I don't know where she's going. I don't know what direction she's heading. She's like, here, everywhere. So this is the second layer. And then head on. This is basically how I'm going to look at you if I wear this mascara. I'm just going to finish off the other eye. This is actually my better eye, not gonna lie. Okay, let me do the other eye. Yeah, even on the better eye it looks not good, because the curling is gone like immediately. With the other mascara that I like, the curling never goes down unless it's just the waterproof formulation, but this So this is the first layer on the other eye. Okay, I'm gonna add one more layer and that is it for me. Okay, let me stop here before it starts clumping up. This is second layer on both eyes. Okay, for me it's a no. I already know this. Like, my eyelashes don't look good. I look like I'm looking in two different directions, especially with my eyelashes. They're making me look really awkward. Yeah, no, it's a no from me immediately. I'm just gonna have to give this to someone. Maybe for someone who already has curly lashes, someone who wants, to me it does give a nice separation, it doesn't clump as easily, but then again, like, you can see this here, like it looks decent, it looks separated, it looks nice, but I don't know what happened here, but it's just not for me. It's not giving me the volume that I'm looking for. The volume I'm looking for is like almost as if I'm shocked. Like, I like my eyelashes to be there because they're never there, so I like them to look there, especially when I'm wearing mascara. So it's a no from me. In terms of maybe crackling or something, or it wearing off, it's not coming off on my finger, so to me I can assume that this should not crumble, but then again, throughout the day, you know, it might, but right now I don't feel it coming off. I don't see it dropping. I think in terms of crumbling, I think it will be okay, but the way it looks is not for me, unfortunately. But although, since we are here in a L'Oreal mascara video, if you do get the chance to try it, please try out this mascara. It's fantastic. I'm gonna have to take this off and replace it with this because I'm going out and I don't want to be looking like this with my eyelashes everywhere. So yeah, it's a no from me, but then again, my lashes are incredibly rebellious. I have very straight lashes. They don't want to listen to me, but they somehow only listen to this mascara. But for someone with, I'd say, better lashes than I do, someone who has already open lashes, I think this would work a lot better. And if you like a big brush and a lot of volume, that it would probably work for you as well. But for me, it doesn't work with my manually curled lashes. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me. If you guys do have any tips or tricks, if you have used this mascara and there was something that worked for you, please let me know. I can try it for myself and I can add a little update in the comment section or the description box. If there's anything else you want to see me do, please let me know. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. So yeah, bye. Okay, before I go, I just want to show you the difference between the Bambi and this one, which I have on my eyes right now. As you can see, the difference. I just want to let everyone know to try this out, because as you can see, my eyelashes are touching almost my eyebrows right now. Look, they're touching my eyebrows. This is how I want my lashes to be, touching my eyebrows. So that's just the difference. So yeah, bye.